Ooh, hello, darling. But so we are out today with the Nemesis, the mud truck, whatever you want to call it, the turd. But and we're gonna try to get it started, and the tires changed out. We got Woody and baby Woody with us today, camping out over there. But maybe the jack, gotta see if the jack will fit under here. We might get her under there. We'll see, hopefully. I don't even know if we're gonna get her started today. So, yeah, wish us luck. Yeah. Yes, he is. We ain't gonna have. I say that and watch. You ever been a kid and then go to ramp something, you ramp brake?
Yep.
Here we go. This ramp braking at 34. No. That would be funny. Got about 10 more feet. I almost stepped in the ditch there. I may have to take a picture of this, but Bull Creek Electrical Services and Miss Travis, Mr. Bivens. But anyways, they definitely, big shout out to them because they definitely helped me out. He allowed me to use his impact. You know, because as you saw, things were a little bit rusted, so yeah, there's the back of his card. And I'll probably just go ahead and, you know, screenshot it for y'all. So if you're ever in the, well, right now we are in Cabot, Arkansas. So if you're in the Cabot, Arkansas, definitely give them a, you know, if you're needing any electrical work or whatever. I guess that's all they do. I mean, they definitely dug a nice little ditch here that I almost stepped in. But yeah, give them a shout out, a big thank you to Bull Creek Electrical Services. Woody.
Let's see what happens. Moment of truth. It runs, but does it drive? That is the question.
Brakes are definitely questionable. I think she looks ugly. Looks good though.
Uh-huh.
Definitely. Like windshield wipers don't work.
Well, she moves.
I need a headlight sponsor. Headlight sponsor. That way if we break down. So, do the windows roll down? Oh my word, we got one working window. Oh yeah, we definitely need gas. I think she's dying. I think the power steering's dying. So I wonder what the chances of me making it home, which I'm not even going to try today. Without getting pulled over. Yeah, things that I may or may not have broken in the past and hadn't fixed yet. Yeah, she died. I'm not, and I just turned the key and it goes, so I'm not even messing with it. I'll be back. I gotta go get another shot of her. Ooh, man, I'm falling in love all over again. I pretty well nixed out the idea she's not gonna be a show truck, so yes.